My name is Moni. In today's video, I want to do something different. I'm going to the salon now to get my eyebrows done. I want to do a microbladed eyebrow, and I thought to share with you guys the process and also the before and after care of my face. So let's go along to the salon together. And I've already washed my face this morning. I'll just apply my moisturizer and my sunscreen. I changed my moisturizer to SERUM moisturizing cream. I'm going to be telling you the reason why I'm using this in another video. According to the research I've done, after you've done your microbladed brows, you're not supposed to let water touch your face for 1 week. So I'm just going to be showing you how I take care of my brow and my face in general, how I'll be doing my skincare routine during the process of healing. So please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to leave a thumbs up and continue watching this video. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy it here. In subsequent videos, I'm going to be telling you why I've been away and what we'll be doing henceforth on this channel. So please bear with me and stick to this channel. So see you at the salon. Let me just use my sunscreen before I forget. I cleaned up my face very well because I don't know when next I'm going to be having a proper wash on my face. So this morning when I was doing my skincare routine, I made sure I washed behind my ears, inside my ears, and I did a thorough wash of my face this morning. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm kind of scared, and the salon I'm going to, I've not gone there before, and I don't know anybody that I've used there before, but I've seen their previous work and it sort of looks good, but I pray they do it very well, because if they don't, it's a semi-permanent brow and it will take long before it clears off. So see you in the next clip. I'm back. This is what my face looks like. Is it beautiful? I don't know if I'm in focus because I'm using my back camera, but this is what I look like. It's pretty, I love it. Although I was told it will fade out after about a week or two. So this is not the final look. It's going to be just, it will look very natural. And I was told not to wash my face during the 1 week period, and I was told not to itch it if it's itching me. So I want to do my skincare routine now. Throughout the 1 week, I will be using my face wipe to do my skincare routine, and that is exactly what I'll be showing you in this video, the aftercare of taking care of my microblading. So what I'm going to do is to clean up this wipe. This is a face wipe, but it has fragrance, and I want to wash out the chemicals and the liquid. Just give me a few minutes. I need to do this off camera. I need to be very careful with my forehead when I'm cleaning it. I don't want any liquid to touch the brows. So I'll be back soon. I'm back right now. This is the first wash. Can you see how dirty my face is? So I'm going to wash it for the second time with another clean face wipe. So I'll go ahead and wash my face with another clean wipes. This is how I'm going to be doing my skincare routine till the brows heals. So I need to be gentle. So now my face is clean, so I will go ahead and clean off with a clean face towel. So after that, I'll apply my face moisturizer. After that, I'm going to apply my sunscreen. So that is all. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to leave a thumbs up on this particular video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.